Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to update any graphics driver on your PC. And I will show you this in two methods. Alright, the first method is go to search and search for device manager. And then from here search for your graphics driver. For me that's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX. And then click on the right mouse and do update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers, and now he is saying the best drivers for your device are already installed. So that is great to know. Now let's say we want to search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Then he will send us to this. You can check for updates, but I'm already up to date. So when you're not up to date, you can download or install this update. And after that, the first method is done. So like now it's saying you're up to date. And this is what we want to see. Alright, now click this one away, click this away too. I'm using an NVIDIA driver, so now I search for GeForce Experience, but you can do this for your own driver program. And then right now I want to check for updates, so I click on that. And right now he's already downloading the latest release date for the newest driver. So after this update, you did literally everything for your driver to stay up to date. And this is exactly how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.